How artificial intelligence can stop armed conflicts. What if wars could be prevented before they even begin? Imagine a world where AI analyzes hidden threats, finds diplomatic solutions, and blocks provocations before they escalate into armed conflicts. It can predict a conflict outbreak months in advance, giving political leaders a chance to prevent catastrophe. By using complex algorithms, AI analyzes thousands of information sources, from intelligence reports to economic indicators, identifying patterns that humans might overlook. It can detect hidden signs of impending aggression, helping diplomats take timely action. Moreover, with each passing year, technology becomes more precise and its capabilities expand. This is no longer science fiction, but a reality we are moving toward. Let's explore how technology can stop armed conflicts. Armed conflicts have been a part of human history, but with technological advancements, it has become possible to minimize their destructive consequences or even prevent them altogether. Artificial intelligence, AI, already plays a key role in strategic analysis, diplomacy, crisis forecasting, and conflict management. AI processes vast amounts of data from various sources: satellite imagery, intelligence reports, economic indicators, and social media activity, to identify patterns indicating possible escalation. For example, a sharp increase in military spending in one country or troop concentration at a border may signal a potential threat. In such cases, AI algorithms can warn international organizations and governments in advance, allowing them to respond diplomatically and prevent conflicts. Additionally, AI can analyze the rhetoric of world leaders and media, identifying increasing aggression in speeches, which may indicate preparations for military action. Such data can be used to create preventive measures, introducing sanctions, strengthening peacekeeping missions, or initiating diplomatic negotiations to de-escalate tensions. The use of AI also significantly speeds up decision-making. In global crises, where every second can cost thousands of lives, the ability to quickly process information and offer optimal solutions becomes a crucial factor. Today, major analytical centers and government agencies are implementing AI to assess national security threats, helping to prevent armed clashes. Let's examine how AI can contribute to peace. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, historical events, economic indicators, troop movements, public sentiment, to identify potential hotspots of tension. Using machine learning and neural networks, AI can detect complex interconnections that indicate a high probability of escalation. For instance, rising food prices, increased propaganda, or a surge in patriotic sentiment may signal preparations for possible conflict. Moreover, AI can analyze satellite images to detect troop movements, increased military activity, and anomalies in strategically important regions. Such systems are already used by major intelligence agencies to predict crisis situations and can become effective tools for preventing armed conflicts. AI is also used to analyze public statements by politicians and national leaders. By studying rhetoric and its changes, algorithms can identify growing tensions in advance and predict possible points of conflict. This approach is already being used by international organizations to monitor crisis regions. In the 2020s, AI algorithms analyze social media posts and economic indicators, predicting mass protests and potential instability in some regions. If such forecasts are used in advance, diplomatic measures can prevent escalation. In some countries, AI is already used to detect national security threats, enabling governments to take preventive actions before situations spiral out of control. With technological advancements, conflict prediction will become even more accurate, allowing world leaders to respond swiftly and find diplomatic solutions. AI can act as a mediator in negotiations, considering the interests of both sides, analyzing successful historical examples of conflict resolution, and proposing mutually beneficial solutions. Modern algorithms can study past diplomatic agreements and highlight the most effective dispute resolution strategies, helping politicians find compromises. AI can also analyze language, tone, and emotional coloring in world leaders' speeches, helping diplomats predict future developments. This enables them to understand the intentions of the other side in advance and avoid actions that could lead to escalation. Moreover, AI can model possible negotiation scenarios in real time, offering optimal interaction strategies based on multiple factors such as cultural differences, political conditions, and economic interests of countries. This makes the negotiation process more efficient and helps reduce tensions between states. One promising direction is the creation of automated negotiation platforms, where AI will act as a virtual mediator, formulating proposals that consider the mutual benefits of all parties. Such technologies can be especially useful in crisis situations when a quick compromise is needed. AI-powered programs already help diplomats model possible negotiation scenarios, identifying common ground. This reduces the likelihood of escalation through compromise-based solutions. In the 2020s, AI was used to analyze peace negotiations and international conflicts, helping experts predict potential points of disagreement and find ways to smooth them out. As technology advances, artificial intelligence can become not just an analytical tool but an active participant in diplomatic processes, creating new opportunities for conflict prevention. Any new technology, especially one as powerful as artificial intelligence, inevitably shifts the global balance of power. On the one hand, AI's capabilities significantly reduce the number of armed conflicts, but on the other, they create new risks and challenges. Let's explore the positive and negative consequences of AI's widespread use in global security. AI has the potential to revolutionize international relations and global security, making them more predictable and manageable. AI-powered conflict forecasting allows early detection of potential threats, giving diplomats time to negotiate and find compromise solutions. This significantly reduces the likelihood of sudden armed clashes. By automating data analysis from hundreds of sources, satellite imagery, intelligence reports, economic indicators, world leaders can make more informed decisions based on accurate facts rather than emotions or public pressure. As a result, diplomacy will become more effective and wars will become less frequent. Another key factor is the reduction of casualties. AI intervention in military system management and conflict prevention will minimize civilian casualties. For example, in the case of cyber attacks on strategic targets, AI systems can promptly detect and neutralize threats, preventing conflict escalation. Additionally, AI's widespread adoption will positively impact the economy. Armed conflicts inflict enormous damage on national budgets, forcing countries to spend trillions on rebuilding destroyed infrastructure. AI-powered strategic analysis and forecasting will help avoid unnecessary expenses and redirect funds toward education, healthcare, and science. Despite its advantages, AI technology also presents serious risks. One major concern is the potential for manipulation. Governments or private corporations with advanced AI technology can use it to distort information and influence geopolitical decisions. This could lead to new forms of hybrid warfare, where information becomes a more powerful weapon than traditional arms. Another risk is the excessive automation of decision-making processes. Entrusting AI with control over nuclear systems could result in technical failures or miscalculations, leading to catastrophic consequences. Despite the high accuracy of algorithms, the possibility of misinterpretation or errors remains a significant threat. Finally, there is the ethical dilemma. Is it morally justifiable to delegate critical decisions to machines? Who should be held accountable for AI's actions if they result in human casualties or political crises? These questions require strict international regulations and oversight. Ultimately, the future of AI in military and diplomatic affairs depends on humanity. We must develop rules that allow technology to be used for good while minimizing potential threats. Will we find the right balance between efficiency and safety? This is the challenge humanity must address in the coming decades. Want to learn more about how AI is shaping the modern world and what the future holds? Then be sure to watch our in-depth analysis on this topic in the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments.